In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the fiscal year from a fiscal date in Power BI. If you're looking to enhance your reporting capabilities, understanding how to manipulate dates is a crucial skill. So let's dive in and discover how this can be achieved easily within Power BI. First things first, you'll need to have Power BI open. Once you're in, you'll be working within the report view where you can access all your data models and visualizations. Now, before we get into the specifics of coding, let's talk about what exactly a fiscal year is. A fiscal year is an accounting period that a company uses for its financial reporting and budgeting. It doesn't necessarily align with the calendar year. It can start in any month depending on the organization's requirements. Now that we've set the stage, let's move forward to the next step, which is creating a new measure. Measures in Power BI are calculations used in data analysis. They're particularly useful for getting insights without altering the raw data itself. To create a new measure, navigate to your Fields pane, usually on the right side of your screen. Right-click on the table where you want the new measure to be added. You'll see an option to create a new measure. Go ahead and click that. Creating this measure is a powerful process because it allows you to define how you want your fiscal year calculation to be presented based on your data set. After you've created the new measure, it's time to input some DAX code. DAX, short for Data Analysis Expressions, is a language used in Power BI to create custom calculations and analysis. It's important to have your data's fiscal structure in mind at this stage. Now, you'll want to type in the specific code for calculating the fiscal year. Depending on the start of your fiscal year, this code will vary to accommodate whichever month your organization has chosen as the beginning of its fiscal cycle. This is pivotal in ensuring accuracy and relevance in your reports. With your measure created and your DAX formula correctly implemented, you should now see how this can be used in your data visualizations. You can add this measure to any visual where you want to analyze your data based on fiscal years instead of calendar years. This approach provides a more insightful view of trends, especially when budgeting or financial performance analysis is necessary. Finally, once everything is set up, take a moment to test it out. Apply this measure across different data sets to verify that it returns the expected results. This step is crucial as it ensures that your report displays accurate and meaningful data. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated the fiscal year from a fiscal date using Power BI. With these steps, you'll be able to significantly enhance your data models, ensuring that your reporting is as thorough and accurate as possible. Thank you for watching and happy reporting.